In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and track a revenue goal in your reporting dashboard. To get started, open Chrome and use the address bar to access your workspace. Once you're inside the platform, head to the reporting section and then open goals. This is where you can set measurable targets and keep your team aligned around clear performance expectations. If you're using goals to track sales performance, this area is especially useful because it helps turn broad revenue ambitions into something specific and measurable. Once you're on the goals page, click Create Goal. You'll be shown a list of goal options and templates. From that list, choose the Revenue Template Framework. This option is designed for tracking pipeline-based revenue targets, so it's the right choice when you want to measure progress toward a financial objective rather than activity volume or deal count. Taking a moment to choose the correct template at the beginning helps make sure your reporting is accurate and easier to interpret later. After selecting the revenue template, enter your numeric pipeline revenue target. Be as precise as possible here, since this number becomes the benchmark the system will use for progress tracking. You'll also need to confirm the currency settings. Make sure the currency matches the one your team uses for reporting and forecasting, because consistency here is important for keeping your dashboards clear and your results reliable. If the wrong currency is selected, your totals may be misleading even if the rest of the setup is correct. Next, assign ownership metrics to the right sales pipelines or staff profiles. This step determines who or what the goal applies to, so it's worth checking carefully before moving on. You might assign the goal across selected pipelines if you want to measure revenue generated through a specific sales process, or you may attach it to staff profiles when you want accountability at the individual or team level. Choosing the correct ownership structure makes the goal more meaningful and ensures the progress data reflects the people or pipelines you actually want to evaluate. Once everything is in place, you can monitor progress in real time by opening the Sales Outcomes Dashboard reports. This is where the goal becomes actionable, because you'll be able to visually track how close you are to the target and spot performance trends as they develop. Reviewing this dashboard regularly can help you catch shortfalls early, celebrate momentum when results improve, and make better decisions based on live reporting rather than assumptions. That's how to create a revenue goal and track it effectively using the reporting tools available in your dashboard.